Are you ready to dive into a world of jaw-dropping technologies and mind-blowing ideas? We bet you haven't heard of lumberjack drones, robotic horses, and other cool innovations. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the most important invention, the bell button. Done. Let's go! This TV will undoubtedly make you the coolest person in the neighborhood. Get ready to impress everyone with your top-notch entertainment setup. You can't start a fire on the water, can you? Well, with this amazing gadget, you absolutely can. Get ready to witness the impossible. Now that's what I call a truly nice sound system. It's not just a sound system for a car, it's a car built around a sound system. With these ready-to-install solutions, you can effortlessly transform your vehicle into a luxury motorhome in just one day. Adventure awaits! This futuristic sunshade won't just shield you from sunlight, it'll also add a stylish touch to your home. Functionality meets fabulous design. What a useful solution for motorcyclists who hate wearing helmets. Just installed an anti-aircraft gun on this robot and some dudes with blasters and will be a step closer to the vehicles from Halo. If you combine Transformers and women's fashion, you'll get these awesome shoes. These sculptures are a breathtaking fusion of technology, art, and creativity. They'll leave you in awe. Just imagine spending a vacation in this cozy cabin by the river. Who would you take with you to share the adventure? You want to impress everyone with a magic trick, but all you have are solar panels. Time to get creative with your solar-powered sorcery. This 3D printed head looks both exciting and terrifying. This cameraman has officially reached the 100th level of awesomeness. Get ready for some epic shots. This is not simply a lamp, it's real art. With this house, moving away from those pesky neighbors is a breeze. Who knew relocating could be this stylish? If you are going to a serious negotiation, wearing these aerator shoes may immediately add 100 points to your persuasion skills. This tiny missile is yet another example that size doesn't matter. Parallel parking can be one of the trickiest driving maneuvers, but not for Hyundai car owners. They've got the skills and the vehicle to make it a breeze. This helmet is designed with 360-degree LEDs that inform other drivers about all maneuvers, ensuring your complete relaxation. This guy wears more attachments on his helmet than Special Forces soldiers. How to become as fast as the flesh hours of cardio training? Nah, I'd rather buy these bionic boots. Okay, now we have speeder bikes. When should we expect to see the first stormtroopers, or at least an army of clothes? With this lamp, you surely won't be afraid of the dark anymore. Finally, I discovered a public toilet that doesn't smell like a pile of garbage. This mind-blowing combination of a bike and motorcycle may become a great solution to avoid city traffic jams. You'll never slip on ice again with these awesome boots. Just imagine all the other practical uses this efficient design could have. The possibilities are endless. That's a fantastic kettle for anyone who doesn't want to miss their 12 o'clock tea time. Perfect for keeping your tea game strong. Oh no, we're having a problem with textures again. Someone fix this bug. It's magic time. This unbelievable technology can actually read the impulses from your brain and turn them into commands for various mechanisms. Talk about mind-blowing innovation. Taking a mobile phone or tablet everywhere can be a hassle, but the secret bracelet solves that issue by transforming your arm into a touchscreen. Now that's some futuristic convenience. Running late for an important event? With Walkwing, you can turn any pair of shoes into roller skates, boosting your speed and helping you get to your destination on time. Let the fun and speed begin. This attachable shock absorption system will make you the king of skateboarders and prevent you from unpleasant injuries. What a great way to catch everyone's attention while driving to the grocery store. Have you ever seen how this wonderful mechanism turns a truck into a tiny train? This seat features a revolutionary split design that fits the natural movement of the human body, ensuring an absolutely pain-free cycling experience. Now, those might not be the flying cars from Back to the Future, but it'll still be impressive to see them cruising the streets. Talk about a glimpse into the future. We've already seen a lot of weird houses, but this one is an absolute champion on our list. Because of inventions like these, gamers will soon be the strongest people on the planet. I wish I had this robot in my arts and crafts lessons. Just imagine looking out your apartment window and admiring the breathtaking view of a 360.8-foot waterfall. Now that's a view that would make every morning feel like a vacation. This is certainly a Rolls Royce in the world of golf carts. Behold the tiniest mechanical watch, which is only 2 millimeters thick. That's almost the size of a coin. Whether you are in a city or the Rocky Mountains, this Tri-Flighter will take you wherever you need to go due to its advanced design and powerful engine. Am I the only one who thinks this house looks just like the one where the Teletubbies live? It's a cute and quirky throwback. What are you carrying in your bag? What do you mean you have a new sofa in there? No matter if you need to pump up a ball or a tire, this portable air compressor has got you covered, and it can charge your mobile phone while it's at it. Talk about multitasking. If you can't ride a normal bicycle, don't worry, just invent your own. The inventor of this amazing parking system for motorcycles is a true genius. They really know how to maximize garage space. That's a dream job for any fan of the Raft video game. Nearly 1 million people are injured yearly from slips and falls on ice. Let's stop this madness by wearing awesome shoes with spikes. By the way, they're a great alternative to skates. That's all for now. Which of these concepts caught your eye? Don't forget to leave your comments, like the video, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the most exciting technologies.